All right, back with another weekly recap. Let's see how it went. Um, so we look at outlook for last week. Let's see how it played out. All right, so I did say if we broke there, we would come back in. Come here. Okay. So now let's go to the charts. Let's see what we could have capitalized on for last week. We had a couple aha moments last week, so hopefully that'll help. We go weekly. All right. So look on our H4. We know that, oh, this is GU. GJ, sorry. GJ. Got our weekly. Okay. All right, so coming into this week, I had, let's see, this marked off as our market flow, our high. And this is our high low. I think I had that, yeah. I had this as our high low. This made that push. What did I have? This is our high low. Maybe that. I can't remember. But anyways, so that, all right, so high low. So we know that we are bullish at the moment, so we're looking for buys. Now, if we go to the hourly, let's see, 6 o'clock. I would have had this drawn off as supply. This drawn off as, well, actually, there was a level of demand right here. So I know that we're looking for buys. So price came down, came right here. Go to M15, looking for some kind of engulfing or pin bar or something of that sort. So if there's engulfing counter right here, stops below the low, 2 pips below, and back up to demand. And we've had a nice trade. Nice little intraday buy. Okay. So next day. Now we still have that level of, so now this is our level of demand. Because this may push this up past this level. Okay. So now that we see that, let's go back to our M15. We're still bullish. I don't know if we're getting a retracement or continuation leg yet, but let's see. So we go over, we get back to this high, and so it looks like it would be a double top on the higher time frame. So 7, if I go to M5, see if I can get a better entry. Price went up there and immediately went away. Then we got this engulfing candle at 7 o'clock. So if I took that candle, just put it above these highs. We would have hit a 101 here, and then Price, I would have took partials here. Well, one would have been here, took partials here, then let it ride. And my target would have probably been, since I know now we may get the retracement leg of structure for our H4, my target would have been probably 137, or 170. Yeah. So what about like right there? Probably would have been where I had my stops. So, okay, we see that we blasted through there. And so with that being said, this is now our lower low. So we just got a lower low. Now we just need a lower high to confirm that we are going bearish. But now that I see this, I'm looking for price to come back up and then sell somewhere. So price did come down. I mean, this shit dropped like another 120 pips. But I don't know if I would have called all of that or not. But price did hit this demand or previous H4 support or whatever you want to call it. Okay, so came back up and we broke two levels here. We broke supply and we broke supply. So let's see if any one of them gave us an entry opportunity. So let's see, 7 o'clock. Right here is a 6 o'clock candle, 7. So if I delete this one, price broke above this little base. Okay, a nice candle right there. Let's see if we could have got a better candle. Remember, this is the H1 supply area that was broken. So at 7, got a nice bullish candle. Put it below the lows. I probably would have took it up to 20. Just because that's where this area that got broken was. I'll just stretch that across. Okay, so that would have been us getting our retracement leg for H4. Now, if we can see if we can get our continuation leg on the next day, let's see what we'll get. So the next day, 6 o'clock, so there's an area of, a large area of supply right there. We know that we're looking for sales now. So 6:30. So I see this area. Price came in here multiple times. See if we get any kind of good candle in here. I mean, there's an engulfing candle. Let's see if there's anything on the M5. There's not really anything. I guess I would have probably took this candle just because of how it looked. So let's just say we took that. Stops above the zone, 17 pips. First target's the low. What was it right here? Demand. And we're hopefully seeing if we can retest these lows over here. So my ultimate target would have been like probably right, probably 8. So that was a nice 1-2 trade ratio. Okay, so if we go to the next day, we know that we are bearish. But at this point, this was all trash. I would have traded it. It happened so extreme. Like this fucking candle is, this one candle is 98 pips. Yeah, there's no way I would have got that. I remember watching this when this happened and then price started going back up. So I wouldn't have fucked with this at all. So I would have just got these trades. So price broke here, traded lower low, popped back up, pushed down. That was basically the trade. Here's 1 to 3, 1 to 2.7, 1 to 7, 1 to 2. GJ wasn't the clearest investor trade last week. So I don't know if it's the Brexit talks or what, but it wasn't super clear. Let's zoom in a little more. I could like duration trade. Consolidation to get ready to drop, or accumulation, or whatever you want to call it. Huge drop. Structure. Tracing play. Simulation leg. And so that was basically the market last week. We got continuation. We got some consolidation. So that means we're probably getting tired of going up. So we got to push down, broke our higher low, retrace up to make a lower high, continue down. And then we started consolidating again.